RV life isn't always fun. This is an RV life kitchen slide fail. Let me show you the problem. Melody and I are at the Thousand Trail South Jetty Campground in Florence, Oregon. You can see here I have my bedroom slide out. I have my living room slide out. Let me take you around the other side. As you can see, my kitchen slide is retracted in. And this is the back of the refrigerator. We can't get to our refrigerator because that slide will not come out. Here's Melody. Hi, honey. Melody is not a happy camper today. That kitchen slide is stuck in. The cable is frayed. Melody's going to tell you about that, but let me show you the impact it has had on our living space in here. Well, Mel, you want to show them around?
Well, normally this would all be pushed out and we would have a nice little area rug right here, and then the two ottomans on that side, and my cute little rug in front of the sink, and Milo's food bowl would be over on this side. So we've lost all that. We can't put the rug out, cannot get into the refrigerator, and we just did food shopping 2 days ago, so this thing is full of food. We can get into the freezer, as you can see, but if you take a look over on this side, this is where our silverware is. I keep the paper towels under here, the garbage bags. We could use the stove if I set up here. We could use the microwave if we needed to. We just went to KFC for lunch. We can still reach the coffee maker. But it's just been an inconvenience not having our whole living space. We went out last night, bought some more paper towels and garbage trash bags because we weren't sure how long this is going to be stuck in. Now, if we need to, we'll find out if we need to or not, but we may go buy a small refrigerator, and then we're just going to have to figure out where we're going to put it.
You want to show them what you had seen when I had trouble getting the slide in when we left our last campground?
Okay, Willett said he was having trouble with the slide. He got it in. I looked up and I said, the black cable is fraying. And after he looked at it a few times, he realized that the black cable was fraying. So I don't know if you can see it real good, but...
Yeah, it's right in there. That black stuff on the cable, that's actually cable. It's the wires are fraying, and it had hung up on this pulley right here. And so I'm afraid to even run it back out because I might not get it back in. I checked over 24 dealerships, RV dealerships, for a replacement cable. No one had the cable. I was lucky after hours of trying to locate a cable repair kit. I finally found one down in Coos Bay, which was approximately an hour away. We drove down there, and the repairman is mobile repair service is on his way out here. So long story short, what I needed was this cable repair kit, model 22305. It's made by BAL, B-A-L, and it's for the Accuslide. It's a universal kit that you need, but if you don't have a replacement cable, you're dead in the water. It's not fun having a kitchen slide out that's broken. Hopefully later today we'll be able to get back in that refrigerator. Well, showtime. Morry from WestCoast Mobile RV. He's a certified RV specialist. He's inside my RV right now trying to get that slide cable repaired. The cable was actually frayed on both ends. Take a look at that.
Now this is what it's supposed to look like. Morry from West Coast Mobile RV Service and Repair in Florence, Oregon, did a fantastic job on getting our slide out fixed. We can't thank him enough. If you're ever in Florence, Oregon and need a repair done, I highly recommend calling Morry.